Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to leave a group chat on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see the main interface of the app with several options at the bottom of your screen. Now look at the bottom left corner of your screen and tap on Chats. This will take you to your conversation list where you can see all your individual and group conversations. This is where all your active chats are organized, making it easy to find the specific group you're looking to leave. Next, tap on the group chat you want to leave. This will open the conversation and show you all the messages exchanged in that particular group. Opening the group is necessary because you'll need to access the group settings to proceed with leaving. Once the group chat is open, tap on the group name displayed at the top of your screen. This action will take you into the group details page where you can view members, media, and various group settings. This is the control center for everything related to that specific group. Now scroll down through the group settings. As you scroll, you'll see various options like notifications, media settings, and member information. Continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the page where the Leave Group option is located. When you reach the bottom, tap on Leave Group. This is the option that will remove you from the conversation permanently. It's important to note that once you leave, you'll no longer receive messages from this group and won't be able to see new activity unless someone adds you back. Finally, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Tap Leave Group again to confirm. This second tap ensures you're certain about leaving, preventing any accidental exits from groups. Once you confirm, you'll be immediately removed from the group chat. And that's it. You've successfully left the group chat on Signal. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.